Have you ever asked Siri to set an alarm? So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Imagine teaching a computer to think and learn like a human brain. That's AI in a nutshell. It's about creating machines that can process information, recognize patterns, and make decisions, much like we do. However, unlike us, AI can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, making it incredibly efficient at solving complex problems. Think of it like this. When you teach a child to ride a bicycle, you show them how to balance, pedal, and steer. Similarly, with AI, we feed computers massive amounts of data and train them to perform specific tasks. This data could be anything: images, text, numbers, and the more data we provide, the smarter the AI becomes. This ability to learn from data is what sets AI apart from traditional computer programs, which can only follow pre-programmed instructions. AI, on the other hand, can adapt and improve its performance over time, making it a truly revolutionary technology. At the heart of AI lies its ability to learn from data, a process often compared to how we humans learn from experience. Imagine a child learning to identify different animals. They start by observing pictures and being told what each animal is. Over time, the child's brain starts to recognize patterns: the furry ears of a cat, the long trunk of an elephant, and they can identify these animals on their own. AI learns in a similar way. First, vast amounts of data are fed into the AI system. This data is like the experience from which the AI will learn. The AI then analyzes this data, looking for patterns and relationships. Think of it as connecting the dots to see the bigger picture. Once the AI has identified these patterns, it uses them to build algorithms, which are essentially sets of rules that guide its decision-making process. The more data the AI processes, the more refined these algorithms become, enabling the AI to make increasingly accurate predictions and decisions. This continuous learning process is what makes AI so powerful. Imagine a chess-playing AI that learns from every game it plays, constantly improving its strategies and outmaneuvering its opponents. That's the potential of AI in action, constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated over time. Beyond games, AI's learning capabilities extend to critical fields like healthcare, where it can analyze vast amounts of medical data to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases. In the realm of transportation, AI powers autonomous vehicles, learning to navigate roads safely. In finance, AI predicts market trends, helping investors make informed decisions. Even in our daily lives, AI is present in smart home devices and personal assistants, learning our preferences to better serve us. The future of AI holds endless possibilities as it continues to advance and transform various industries. Ultimately, the goal is for AI to collaborate with humans, enhancing our capabilities and improving our quality of life. Section 4. Narrow AI versus General AI, different strokes for different folks. It's important to note that not all AI is created equal. The landscape of artificial intelligence is vast and varied, encompassing a wide range of capabilities and applications. Currently, we mostly interact with what's known as narrow AI. This type of AI is designed to perform specific tasks, like recommending songs you might like or filtering spam emails. Narrow AI excels in its designated area, but lacks the broader capabilities of human intelligence. It can be incredibly efficient and accurate within its scope, but it doesn't possess the ability to generalize knowledge or perform tasks outside its programmed domain. Think of it as a master chef who can cook a specific cuisine to perfection but struggles with anything outside their specialty. This analogy helps us understand the limitations and strengths of narrow AI. On the other hand, general AI represents the holy grail of AI research, a machine capable of understanding, learning, and performing any intellectual task that a human being can. This type of AI would not be limited to specific tasks, but would have the ability to apply knowledge across various domains. Imagine an AI that can write a best-selling novel, compose a symphony, and then discuss the philosophy behind its creations. That's the ambition of general AI. It would be like having a Renaissance person in machine form, capable of excelling in multiple fields. This remains largely theoretical, like a concept car yet to be built. The journey to achieving general AI is filled with numerous challenges and uncertainties. While narrow AI is already transforming our world, general AI, with its human-like cognitive abilities, remains a vision for the future. The potential of general AI is immense, but so are the hurdles we need to overcome to realize it. Achieving this level of sophistication in machines poses significant technical and ethical challenges, sparking debates about the very nature of consciousness and the potential implications of creating machines that could potentially surpass human intelligence. These discussions are crucial as we navigate the future of AI development. The journey from narrow AI to general AI is not just a technological evolution, but a philosophical and ethical one as well. It requires us to rethink what it means to be intelligent and the role of machines in our society. Section 5. AI in our lives, from Netflix to self-driving cars. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It's already interwoven into the fabric of our daily lives, often in subtle ways we might not even realize. Remember those personalized recommendations you get on Netflix or Spotify? That's AI at work, analyzing your viewing or listening history to suggest content tailored to your tastes. And who hasn't relied on the helpful suggestions from GPS navigation apps, powered by AI algorithms that calculate the fastest routes based on real-time traffic conditions? But AI's impact extends far beyond entertainment and convenience. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images, aiding doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. Self-driving cars, though still under development, hold the promise of safer and more efficient transportation, thanks to AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and make split-second decisions. From fraud detection in financial transactions to personalized learning experiences in education, AI is quietly revolutionizing various sectors, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient.